Hello, I'm Scott from Sabo. I bet if you clicked on this video, you're wanting to learn more about treating spasticity. Now, you probably first heard the word spasticity from a physician or a therapist, but by now, you know that it's a pain in the, well, pick a body part, but it's not untreatable. You see, when the brain has an injury like a stroke, the signals between the brain and the muscles become disconnected or rerouted, and when that occurs, the muscles don't work properly, and they become tight or spastic. But Sabo's providing you a solution. By combining decades of evidence-based research and therapy experience and focusing our attention on you, we are providing the Sabo Spasticity Kit. The Sabo Spasticity Kit is made up of two parts, the Sabo Stretch and the Sabo Stem Go. By combining these two, we have created an affordable, easy-to-use kit that can help you minimize the spasticity you may already be experiencing. This is the Sabo Stretch. The Sabo Stretch was designed to comfortably help people stretch their hand and fingers while preventing any damage to their joints. It is very important that people with mild to moderate spasticity wear the Sabo Stretch because it helps prevent or minimize tightness while preventing any damage, pain, or discomfort that occurs at the joints of the fingers. When my tone increases, or my tightness, it allows my fingers to bend. Then when the tightness or tone decreases, it puts my hand back in a comfortable resting position. This is the Sabo Stem Go, our wireless wearable electrical stimulation unit. To fight spasticity, you need to properly position and stretch your spastic muscles, but also apply electrical stimulation to the weakened muscles that extend your fingers. So with the Sabo Spasticity Kit, you're going to stretch your spastic muscles with the Sabo Stretch and get electrical stimulation from Sabo Stem Go. Strengthening the weakened muscles that open your hand will decrease your spasticity. Now I know, some people think, electrical stimulation. But truthfully, it's not scary, and this is definitely not painful. Most people describe the electrical stimulation from the Sabo Stem Go as a light tingling sensation. And they get a lot of benefit from it and a lot of happiness when they see their fingers extend and their spasticity decrease. Combining the Sabo Stretch and the Sabo Stem Go in one treatment session can lead to decreased spasticity in your wrist and hand. This will not only reduce the tightness, but prepare you for further functional gains as you progress with your Sabo home exercise program. We recommend 2 one-hour sessions per day for maximum benefit. But don't worry, you can do it anywhere at any time, while watching TV, reading a book, or even at work. Just don't let spasticity control your recovery. Take charge, reduce the tightness, and see more progress and functional recovery of your hand and limb. And remember, with Sabo, there's no plateau in sight.